Jackson, January 2024, Scottsdale. We have two 10th anniversary Trans Ams going to Scottsdale. This is one of them, but this car is a frame-off restored car. It's got 33,000 original miles on the car. It is a full numbers matching car. It's an automatic 6.6 liter, air conditioning, cruise control, T-tops, all the bells and whistles. Been nut and bolt restored. The bottom side is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a clear coat on the underside of it too, so it's been completely redone. You can eat off the bottom side of this car. This is a Friday afternoon car at the auction, no reserve. Check it out on our website, restoreamusclecar.com and barrettjackson.com. Friday afternoon. Our other 10th anniversary goes through Saturday, and it has 800 original one family owned miles on it, and it is a untouched car. Basically brand new out of the factory car and then a completely restored car, both going across the block. So we're going to see how well they do. But this all new base coat, clear coat paint is way better than they ever were from the factory, and everything's been restored and everything is in tip-top working shape. We go through everything. AC blows cold, heater, all the gauges, original radio, all that stuff's great. Check out all the pictures, video online, restoreamusclecar.com, barrettjackson.com, bid online or bid in person.